What's up, guys? This is Caleb Oster with Keller Williams coming to you with another property tour. This beautiful villa is located in Chapel Hill Villas in South Overland Park. It's priced at $630,000 with 3 bedroom, 3 bath, and a little over 2,500 square feet. It's got a large gourmet kitchen, beautiful master suite, gas fireplace, electric blinds, fully finished basement, and more. Now, go check it out. Thank you so much for checking out my latest property tour. If you want to see this home or another one like it, please feel free to reach out. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.